Hey now, what do you think you're doing?
Lighting some damn fireworks.
Well, wasn't that illegal?
No. Who says who?
The federal government.
Who are they in charge of?
You?
Since when?
They were established?
Alright. I don't care about no law.
Well, then that's bad.
We should make them legal.
Well, don't they kill thousands of people?
That is BS.
Well, prove it.
Statistics show that only 1 in 20 kids get their hand blown off, and that's only if kids use them.
Well, that seems like a problem. But what is the reason for making them legal? What do people benefit from them?
It's an American pride and joy, and it's just having fun. They should be legal.
Boom.
So what's the solution? Fireworks are legal for adults, not children.
Yeah.